Hello, welcome to PushMediaSystems, making a slide in OpenOffice. This is presented by PushMediaSystems. My name is Frank. You can find our webpage at www.pushmediasystems.com. You can find the OpenOffice.org webpage at openoffice.org. These OpenOffice.org has tech support, updates, you can download the program, which we discussed in earlier videos. We also did an earlier video about installing OpenOffice.org. So, in this video you will learn to create an information slide in OpenOffice for use in the PushMediaSystems program displays. You'll also learn how to save this slide as a JPG file. Okay, let's get started. We're going to open our OpenOffice.org here. We're going to go to the presentation tool here. Click in there. It's a left click always unless I specified otherwise. We're going to go with the empty presentation. We're going to go with blue border, which I kind of like. As you second, a second's going to come up over here. Okay, there it is. Next, and create. We now have our file here. This is really a simple program to use. Over here on the right side, you can have different ways of layouts, as you see. Everyone will have something different, but we want one of these. Kind of like this. It's going to let us do a title, talk about what we're doing, and then add some graphics. We're going to do a fictional restaurant called Frank's Place because I couldn't possibly compete with any other restaurant. And we're going to have a fictional special. It's going to be Tuesday special. And Tuesday special, I just hit the enter key and it created another little thing there, as you see. Is pork chops. And it's going to cost $5.99 because Frank's Place is always a bargain. It's going to start at 5 o'clock. Excuse me. PM 2. And we're going to run it to 9:30. My staff likes to go home. They're kind of lazy. And we're going to be on 54th Street, Ocean City. And we're going to put a phone number in. Now, when you put phone numbers in, just remember your customers are on vacation normally. They don't know where you're at, so let's make sure we include the area code. Oh, let's have fun here. You might get Jenny if you call that number. Okay, over here, just as it says, double click to add a graphic. I'm going to double click here, excuse me, right here. And I'm in Frank's. In my one open office, I had a picture of a pork chop that I got earlier, and I'm going to open that. And bam, there we have it. Frank's Place, perfect call to action ad. It tells us where it's at, or excuse me, who we are, what it is, what it actually is, the cost, when, where, and a phone number in case you want to get to us. And it shows a picture. So somebody looking at this screen is going to realize, hey, here's a damn good looking meal there for $5.99 at Frank's Place. The last thing we have to do here is to save it. So you go File, Save As, excuse me, not save as. Be careful not to use that here. We need to export this because we're after the JPG, which is really a photograph. So we're going to turn this file into a photograph by exporting it. And we're going to call it Frank's Special. We're going to pull this down here. Even though it already says JPEG, it might not. So we got to pull this down here and make sure it is set at JPEG. Very important. So we have our name, we have our what we want, and we're going to put it in Frank's one open office subdirectory. I'm going to hit the save button here. It wants to know the quality. We want it 100%. We want good quality. We want our stuff to look good. Say OK. And that pretty much concludes this. The next video I'm going to do is going to be sprucing this up. It's going to be the same slide. We're going to start right in here, and we're going to see how to change some fonts and just make the thing kind of nicer looking. So, I'm going to go end this video. You all have a wonderful day, and we'll go from there. You